Where can gold and silver go next? For that, we need to get into some data. Gold went from $35 to $4,900 in 55 years. That's not gold rising, that is dollar falling. Did your gold become expensive or your money became worthless? Let me explain. Before 1971, every dollar was backed by physical gold. 1 ounce equal to $35. No government could print extra money because every dollar needed real gold behind it. But in 1971, Nixon announced the dollar would no longer be convertible to gold, and from that day, every government got a license to print unlimited money, and they did. Here is what most people don't know. America's national debt is 38 trillion, but underneath 200 trillion in unfunded liabilities. Pension, healthcare, social security. Total obligation is roughly 238 trillion. Now, how do you fill that gap? Two options. Increase taxes, but then economy will collapse. Or print more money, but then your savings will lose value. This is monetary inflation. The price rising is just a symptom. The money printing is the real disease. Gold is already at $4,900. Is it too expensive? People said this at $500, at $1,000 and at $2,500. And every time they were wrong. Because money printing has not stopped and it's accelerating every day. In 5,000 years of monetary history, every fiat currency had a life cycle. Pound sterling, Dutch guilder, Portuguese real. Now let's see what the data suggests. Fort Knox, the bullion vault in the US, holds 8133 tons of gold. If the US had to back its money supply with gold like before 1971, basically the total money supply divided by actual US gold reserves, the fair value of gold comes to $25,000 per ounce. I'm not predicting, I'm just showing you some data and facts. From today's $4,900, it's 5x upside. Silver at $78 today. The gold-silver ratio at historical commodity peak was 15:1 and today it's 63:1. If it normalizes to even 25:1, what can the silver price be? You calculate. Though I personally believe since 2022, silver is the most undervalued asset of this decade. Gold and silver have been money for 5,000 years. Egyptians, Roman, Mughal, Chinese, every civilization anchored value to gold. Historic average lifespan of fiat currency of gold is 27 years. And dollar has been off gold for 55 years. It's already on overtime. And this is why physical gold and silver deserve serious consideration, not paper instruments. Now I have a homework for you. Write your net worth and check how much is it in real assets, gold, silver, land, and how much is it in paper, stocks, bonds, FDs. If 90% is paper, you are all in on a 55-year-old monetary experiment. Worth understanding before it's too late, right? In my next 4-part series, I will explain the global wealth transfer and why gold is so important. Follow me to not miss that.